What's up, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Rob. Today we're going to talk about how you make your big block mopar faster. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so been working on the duster all day, fresh out the shower. Whew, it's hot outside. Not showing that in this video. It's gonna be upcoming. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but I'm never satisfied when it comes to doing work, filming it, and then putting it out. I know there's a lot of subpar videos on my channel, and you know I'm not trying to make every single one of them subpar. Especially when you're watching stuff like 660 Street, 1320s videos, you know, all those people. So once I feel like I got a good video, I'll put it out. Let me know if you just want to see what happens and just drop whatever I got. Let me know down in the comments, and then we'll do it. But today we're gonna do some unboxing. I already opened up the stuff. I had to check it as soon as the delivery driver was here in case I needed to file a claim, but just did a quick check and called it good. So here we go. All right guys, so I think back in March I ordered all this stuff off of Hughes race engines. It was $2,500. Now, what do we get? How are we gonna make the Mopar 440 faster? Let me pull one of these bad boys out. All right, so this is an Indy Cylinder Heads. This is their easy head, their standard port. Now, this is about as basic, run-of-the-mill, entry level that you can get into Indy. These heads are $23. They come with the head bolts. So they come with, man, these head bolts. I think they're like 19,150 pounds. All right, there's a tensile strength, like, you know, just 6-point black oxide bolts. So it comes with both side head bolts. It comes with, here's the part number for the unassembled pushrod kit. Now with these, they're unassembled. That side, see, it's got the ball on that side, and this side's blank. So what you have to do is, once you put the heads on, stick these down in your lifters, tighten everything down with a pushrod length checker, I guess is the name of it. Figure out what size you need. Take these to a machine shop, have them cut them down and assemble them. All right, it's like 60-70 bucks, I believe, and push rods are done. And it also comes with the intake gaskets. Now, moving on to the heads. Like I said, these are the standard port. There's a part number. Now, these ain't the cheapest heads you can get. There's obviously like the Pro Comp, like Sidewinder heads. There's the Edelbrock heads. These are very similar to like the Trick Flow 240s. Now, to get better heads, there's the Trick Flow 270s, which are max wedge size. These are standard. There's the Edelbrock Victor, which flow very, very well. And then Indies line up like the 440-1s, the 572s, the Predator heads. You know, there's the B1 heads, the Mopar Stage 5 Hemi heads, so on and so forth. I wanted to say kind of budget, in addition to the car's eventually going to be turbo anyway. You know, we don't necessarily have to have a lot of head. Now, the only difference in the max wedge heads to these heads that I am aware of is this intake opening. As you can see how far my finger is up in there. You could take all of this meat out and open it up to a max wedge size. There's a gigantic lip on there. If you go to Hughes Engines, they talk about how they open them up, and they're beautiful. So, I think this kit, no matter basically where you buy it, if you buy it off of Hughes, if you buy it from Indy itself, if you buy it from Mancini, etc., they're all about the same price. I think there's like $2,300 and something. I spent the extra $100 and something. Throw these over there. And I got the valve covers. A couple different ways you can get the valve covers. You can get them with the logo. You can get them blank. Hughes actually offers, before they even ship them out, to like put the fill neck in them, to put like breather holes and stuff like that. I didn't want to do that.
Summit sells a really nice like billet bolt-in or weld-in oil fill hose. And then I think I'm just going to get the Motion Raceworks like dash 12 off to a catch can. So that's my thinking of why I just got them blank. And I don't remember exactly how much they were. I want to say they're like, I can't get it back. I want to say they're like $169. It might be $199. I'm not entirely sure. Now, I did order these, I think in March, and they showed up last Thursday. No fault to Hughes engines. No fault to really Indies. They did take a while before they got everything, before they could sit it out. Obviously, I ordered it with my stimulus check, just like everybody else. So, you know, all the parts manufacturers had to play catch up, right? So, thank you, government, for making me go faster. Now, one good thing about Hughes, which I really didn't know, is it was the next day after I ordered these. Like I said, sometime in March. I want to say it was like the first week of March. Hughes called me and they asked for my cam specs, and I thought it was really weird. But what they did is they went ahead and put on the correct valve springs at no extra charge to me. I already bought a spring compressor. I was going to take the valve springs off my old heads, put them on these, but I got a kind of small cam. It's a 585, but it's a solid roller, and that's the main thing. They had to put in the correct springs for the solid roller with 10-degree locks and all that good stuff. So big shout out to them. I don't know if that was standard or if on their website it doesn't say it's standard. So big thanks to them. Now they do have the 219 intake valves, 181 exhaust valves, and there's 75 cc combustion chambers. All right, so I'm not going to put these on the car just yet. I want to see what the car does with its current configuration. I know the car should have been running months and months ago. A lot of stuff has been happening. My entire life is changing. Within the next 6 months, my whole life is completely changed from everything I know since I was an adult. So, kind of trying to take it slow a little bit, but we are going to get the car running, and I want to see what it does. Now, the car currently does have, I think they're 906s. They might be 452s. Anyway, they've been milled. They've been ported. They're about as best as you can get a stock style head. We'll see what it does. That exact motor from heads all the way down to oil pan came out of another car, and that car went like 680s, 690s. I think that's about what it should do in my car. My car's about the same weight. I got like a ladder bar suspension. His on leaf spring, so on and so forth. So it should run about the same, on paper. But now I'm EFI. With a brand new converter, brand new transmission. It's got 410s, yada. My dad seemed to think that these are going to pick the car up 3/10. I don't believe so. I'm not going to put these on until we port them, right? So I want to open them up as much as I can. I didn't order the max wedge. It's only like an extra $200 to order the max wedge heads. Or I think Indy will, or not Indy, but Hughes will CNC port these for like $400 or $500. They're a great deal, hands down. But I want to try to port these, see how big I can get them, how good I can. We're not going to flow them because I'm cheap, but I want to do a comparison to what the stock heads that are open up versus what these heads do. So we'll see. I'm hoping to get that done by the end of the year. So we'll see what these do. But anyway, this is $2,500 worth of stuff. The only complaint I have, so this is the second set of heads I've ever bought, aftermarket heads. I kid you not, in my 30 years of existence. Second set. First one with Edelbrock's. They came in like an Edelbrock's box. You open it up and it was a head and it was surrounded by foam. I don't know if this was Hughes or Indy, but these heads were just slid in here and they got like a lot of room to slide. And you can see the boxes are pretty beat up from I think it was what, UPS that delivered them. So luckily that's why I had to open them up. I think like the only thing is this little nick right here. So before we put them on, I'll deburr that. That should be fine. Still going to seal. That's like the only issue I found. So that's my $2,500 heads. Pretty soon we'll be dropping another video, like I said, of working on the car. I think I got the fuel pump situation finally figured out and mocked up and welded in. So let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please don't leave without giving me something. I don't care. Let me know you hate it. Let me know you liked it. If you do like it, go ahead and slap that subscribe button. It'll be right down there. If you want to check out videos of the Duster, it's up there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.